Hello farmers! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maximizing egg production. Today, let's unlock the secrets of your hens, those feathered friends that play such a crucial role in your farm's success. They are the incredible egg machines on your farm, working tirelessly to provide you with a valuable product. We'll explore how a hen turns feed and care, the very things you provide, into beautiful, nutritious eggs, packed with goodness and ready for market or your family's table. Think of your hen as a tiny, efficient factory, a biological marvel constantly at work. With the right food, water, and shelter, the essential ingredients for a happy and productive hen, she'll reward you with more eggs, a direct return on your investment and care. Understanding how eggs are made, the fascinating process that occurs inside your hen, helps you boost production and profits, leading to a more sustainable and thriving farm. From Kumasi to Kampala, across the diverse landscapes of Africa, chickens are vital for food and income, a cornerstone of many rural economies, providing both sustenance and a means of livelihood. But many farmers struggle with low egg numbers, facing challenges that hinder their potential and limit their yields. The answers are inside the hen, literally. The key to unlocking greater egg production lies within understanding the hen's biology. When you know how she works, when you understand her needs and the processes within, you can help her lay more and better eggs, improving both the quantity and quality of your harvest. This guide is your step-by-step manual to egg production, a practical resource designed to empower you with knowledge, using simple words and real farm examples, making complex concepts accessible and easy to implement. We'll break down the science into practical steps you can use right away, providing actionable advice that translates directly to your farm. Your success is our success. We are invested in your journey and committed to helping you achieve your goals. Let's learn how to work with our hens, understanding their needs and providing the best possible care, and celebrate the gift of the egg, a symbol of life, nourishment, and the rewards of hard work. Get ready to turn your poultry farming, your passion and dedication, into a story of success and profit, a testament to your hard work and the power of knowledge. Let's begin this journey together, embarking on a path towards greater productivity and prosperity. Ready? Are you prepared to unlock the full potential of your hens? Let's crack the secrets of the egg. Let's delve into the science and art of egg production. Here's how your hen does it. Every single day, the remarkable process that transforms feed into a valuable resource. The incredible journey of an egg begins within the hen's ovary, a vital organ in the reproductive system. This is where the magic starts, where potential eggs are nurtured and prepared for their transformation. Inside, you'll find a cluster of tiny yolks, resembling a miniature bunch of grapes. Each of these yolks holds the potential to become a fully formed egg, a testament to the hen's remarkable biology. When a pullet, a young hen, reaches around 18 to 20 weeks of age, a significant change occurs. This marks the onset of her reproductive maturity, the point at which she's ready to begin laying eggs. Daylight plays a crucial role, acting as a natural signal that prompts her body to initiate egg production. The increasing hours of sunlight tell her that it's time to start creating eggs. The amount of light directly influences egg production. More light translates to more eggs. This is why poultry farmers often use artificial lighting to extend the daylight hours. Therefore, strategically adding extra light inside the coop can significantly boost egg production, especially during the shorter days of winter. This ensures a consistent supply of eggs throughout the year. Light acts as a trigger, stimulating the release of hormones within the hen's body. These hormones, in turn, send a signal to a specific yolk within the ovary, instructing it to begin its growth and development. This is the first step in the egg-making process. Conversely, without sufficient light exposure, hens will naturally lay fewer eggs, as their bodies don't receive the necessary hormonal cues. Once selected, the chosen yolk embarks on a period of rapid growth, increasing in size and accumulating essential nutrients. This growth is primarily fueled by the rich array of nutrients present in her feed, highlighting the importance of a balanced diet. Providing good feed, especially a specialized layer mash formulated for laying hens, is crucial for optimal egg development. A diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals translates to bigger, healthier, and more vibrant yolks, indicative of a high-quality egg. Conversely, a poor diet lacking in essential nutrients will inevitably lead to smaller, weaker eggs with pale yolks and potentially thin, fragile shells. To illustrate this point, consider the experience of a farmer in Nigeria who made a conscious decision to switch to a higher quality feed for his hens. The results were remarkable, as he observed a noticeable improvement in the size and overall quality of the eggs his hens were producing. Over a period of approximately 7 to 10 days, the yolk undergoes a remarkable transformation, growing from a barely visible speck into a vibrant, bright yellow ball, packed with nutrients. Once the yolk reaches its full maturity, it's primed and ready for the next crucial stage in the egg-making process, ovulation. At this point, the ovary has completed its primary task of nurturing and developing the yolk to its optimal state. The main ingredient, the yolk, is now fully prepared and ready to embark on the next phase of its journey. Now, the mature yolk is carefully released from the ovary, marking the beginning of its descent through the hen's reproductive tract. This release initiates its journey through the oviduct, where it will gradually acquire the other components necessary to become a complete and perfect egg. So, what's the secret to encouraging your hens to lay more eggs? It all starts with providing them with good, nutritious feed, ensuring they have access to adequate light, and providing them with attentive care and a comfortable environment. Now that we've seen how the yolk is prepared, let's follow its fascinating journey as it travels through the oviduct. Ovulation is when the mature yolk breaks free from the ovary. The yolk is caught by the infundibulum, a funnel-shaped tube like a catcher's glove. This happens about 30 minutes after the last egg is laid, keeping the cycle going. If there's a rooster, fertilization happens here. If not, the egg will be for eating. Stress can disrupt this process. Keep hens calm for steady egg production. A Tanzanian farmer learned that moving a noisy generator away restored his hens' laying. The yolk now starts its journey down the oviduct, a production line with different jobs. The infundibulum's work is quick, just 15-30 minutes. Next stop, the magnum, where the egg white is added. A calm, healthy hen means more eggs. Let's see what happens next. In the magnum, the yolk spends about 3 hours getting coated in egg white or albumin. The magnum's thick walls add layers of protein and water, protecting the yolk and fighting bacteria. The quality of the egg white depends on the hen's diet. Protein is key. Thin, watery whites mean poor feed. Switch to balanced layers, mash for firmer eggs. A Ghanaian farmer improved his eggs by adding more protein to his hen's diet. After 3 hours, the yolk is fully surrounded by albumin, but the egg is still soft. The magnum's job is done. The egg is taking shape. Next, it moves to the isthmus for its protective membranes. Remember, good feed means better eggs and happier customers. The journey continues. Let's follow the egg to the next stage. Every step matters for quality eggs. Feed, water, and care make all the difference. The magnum's magic is all about nutrition. On to the isthmus. In the isthmus, the egg spends just over an hour getting 2 thin shell membranes. These membranes are the egg's first line of defense, keeping bacteria out and giving the egg its shape. They're made from protein. Another reason good feed is essential. At the large end, the membranes form a small air sac, which grows as the egg ages. Fresh eggs have tiny air sacs. Older eggs have bigger ones. Farmers use candling to check freshness by looking at the air sac. By now, the egg has yolk, white, and membranes, but it's still soft. The isthmus has wrapped the egg in its protective layers. Next, the egg moves to the shell gland for its hard shell. The final step is about to begin. Good feed and care at every stage mean better eggs. Let's see how the shell is made. The egg's journey takes a crucial turn as it arrives at its longest stop, the shell gland, also known as the uterus. This is where the magic of shell formation truly begins. Inside this specialized organ, the egg spends a considerable amount of time, approximately 20 hours, undergoing the intricate process of shell development. This extended stay is essential for the egg to acquire its protective outer layer. Here, within the shell gland, the egg gets its hard shell, a robust shield that safeguards the developing embryo within. This process involves the deposition of minerals onto the egg's surface, gradually building up the strong and protective barrier. The eggshell is made almost entirely of calcium carbonate, a naturally occurring compound that provides the necessary rigidity and strength. This mineral is meticulously deposited to create a solid and resilient structure. The shell is remarkably strong, capable of withstanding considerable pressure, but it's also porous, featuring tiny openings that allow for essential gas exchange. These pores are vital, letting air and moisture pass through, ensuring the developing chick receives the oxygen it needs while allowing for the release of carbon dioxide and water vapor. This delicate balance is crucial for healthy embryo development. Hens need lots of calcium to produce these sturdy shells. It's a critical nutrient for their reproductive health. They require a significant amount, about 4-5 grams daily, to ensure their bodies have enough resources to create strong shells consistently. This daily intake is essential for strong shells, which are not only vital for protecting the developing chick, but also for preventing egg breakage and ensuring the eggs are marketable. Without enough calcium in their diet, hens face a number of problems. One of the most visible signs of calcium deficiency is that hens lay soft or shell-less eggs, which are extremely fragile and unsuitable for incubation or consumption. Furthermore, a lack of calcium can compromise their skeletal health and can develop weak bones, making them more susceptible to fractures and other bone-related issues. To prevent these issues, farmers and backyard chicken keepers often add crushed oyster shells to their hens' diet. Another common supplement is limestone grit, both of which are excellent sources of readily available calcium. These supplements are typically mixed directly into their feed for extra calcium, ensuring they receive a consistent and adequate supply. Water is also vital for egg production. It plays a crucial role in various physiological processes. A dehydrated hen can't make a proper shell, as water is essential for transporting calcium and other minerals to the shell gland. The shell's color is added in the final hours of its formation, a fascinating process that determines the egg's external appearance. The color can be brown, white, or even blue-green, creating a beautiful spectrum of eggshell hues. This coloration is primarily determined by the breed of the hen, with different breeds possessing unique genetic traits that influence pigment deposition. It's important to note that shell color doesn't affect nutrition. The nutritional content of an egg remains consistent regardless of its shell color, so the choice is purely based on appearance and personal preference. After about 20 hours of meticulous mineral deposition and coloration, the shell is complete, forming a robust and protective barrier around the developing embryo. The egg is now fully formed, a testament to the hen's remarkable reproductive capabilities. It's perfectly packaged and ready to be laid, marking the culmination of a complex and fascinating biological process. Calcium and water are the unsung heroes of egg production, playing a vital role in ensuring hens can consistently produce strong, marketable eggs that meet both consumer demand and the needs of the developing chick. The shell gland's work is the final touch, the culmination of hours of dedicated effort to create a perfect vessel for new life. Now, with the shell complete and the egg fully formed, it's time for the egg to be laid, ready to begin its journey into the world. The egg is complete yolk, white, membranes, and a hard shell. Just before laying, the shell gland adds a thin, protective bloom to seal the shell. Don't wash fresh eggs if you plan to store them. The bloom keeps bacteria out. The hen's body contracts, flipping the egg so the large end comes out first. The egg passes through the cloaca, staying clean as it's laid. Laying takes less than a minute, but it's hard work for the hen. Provide clean, private nesting boxes for comfort and safety. About 60 minutes after laying, the cycle starts again. A healthy hen can lay almost every day, with the process taking about 26 hours. Hens lay a bit later each day. Watch for the pattern. Understanding this cycle helps you care for your flock. Happy hens mean more eggs for you. Want more eggs? Start with high-quality feed. Layers mash with the right balance of protein, energy, vitamins, and minerals. Always provide clean, fresh water. Hens drink twice as much water as feed. Keep waterers full, clean, and in the shade. Manage light. Hens need 16 hours daily. Add artificial light to boost production. A simple bulb or solar lamp can make a big difference. Create a safe, comfortable coop, clean, dry, and secure from predators. Avoid overcrowding. Give each hen space and a private nesting box. Stress-free hens lay more eggs. Remember, feed, water, light, and safety are your keys to success. Small changes can mean big results in your egg basket. Invest in your hens, and they'll reward you. Happy, healthy hens are egg-laying machines. Your farm's success starts with good care. We've reached the end of our journey inside the hen. You now know how eggs are made and how to help your hens lay more. Good feed, clean water, proper light, and a safe home are the secrets to success. These are investments in your business, not expenses. Share what you've learned with other farmers. Together, we can build a stronger poultry industry. Fresh, local eggs mean better food and income for your family. Keep learning and improving. Your dedication makes the difference. Thank you for joining us. For more tips and guides, visit www.agric4profits.com. Wishing you healthy hens and full baskets. Until next time, happy farming.